Why are people afraid to enter crypto?
Because new tech, old laws, people are scared.
Do you want to elaborate on that?
So, I mean, it all depends on how our cryptocurrency is being categorized right now, right? Be it asset class, currency, utility, or even as a security. There are so many ways of classification, but people only see Bitcoin as a risk factor. I mean, I was talking to a stranger this morning, an IT manager, been in IT firm for the last 15 years, have a team of coders with him. And you know, I asked him, he asked me, so what do? I say, I deal in Bitcoin, trading, things like that.
Okay.
He said, yeah, oh, that thing that dropped from $17,000 to $5,000. I said, yeah, that's the
that
thing.
new asset, right?
Yeah. So I guess most mainstream people are still scared and very afraid about it.
Well, you can't really blame them, right? Because depending on where you are in the world, it's classified differently. So like if you're in Mexico, it's considered a commodity. If you're in Russia, it's considered a property.
Wow.
If you're in Singapore, it's considered, I won't tax you unless you do something with it kind of thing.
Yeah.
So if governments themselves can't agree what cryptocurrencies are, how can you expect mainstream people to trust this kind of asset, right? It'll be like...
I think the other thing is the government has a right to do something to protect its citizens, right? So it comes out with regulation. They try and control things that they cannot manage. I mean, it's something that I don't understand. So I'll try and create certain regulations, certain classification and category just to throw it in, because it's so difficult to define a new asset class just to categorize cryptocurrency.
I wish they invented something new to throw it in, because currently they're just rehashing stuff from like 1930s. So it's a security. Then they'll take back like 1933 and say, oh yeah, these are the rules that say why it's a security.
Or it could be a commodity.
Or it could be a commodity.
Yeah.
Or a property.
Yeah.
Actually, it could be anything, because you can tokenize pretty much like everything, right? So, but as long as governments don't come to a consensus, as long as the industry itself doesn't come to a consensus, because last year it was utility tokens, right? All the craze. Then it became security tokens. Then it becomes you can convert it to shares in a few years. So they keep changing how the token acts, and the tokens themselves are not like any other asset class you've seen, because if you buy a car, you own a car. But if you buy a token, you can fractionalize your car and sell off different pieces and get back like part of a farm.
So I think one of the biggest takeaway from here or breakthrough is, if let's say I'm a project and I'm able to establish relationship with the particular government of a particular country, it's a win-win situation, right? Because and if that particular project helps to spread mainstream adoption within the country itself, and so when the government try and regulate it, the best thing to do is that they will go to this project and ask for advice. How should we kind of start this mainstream adoption?
So you're saying focus inwards first, then spread out, right?
So I mean, I'm personally in touch with a few founders and projects, right? And I know that they have some linkages to the government, not in terms of the that kind of thing, right? But it's rather that kind of partnership that, okay, if let's say me as a government has certain issues, I'm curious to find out more about cryptocurrency, I'll reach out to you first, because you are I bred you out from my country. You are the foundation of this country. So I will look for you for advices. I think that's one direction that the project should be heading towards. And I think partnership with the government itself will help, definitely. Yeah.
If you want to stay updated with the latest blockchain and cryptocurrency news, do catch us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 8 p.m. Singapore Standard Time. Consider subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. We'll see you in the next episode.